What's the meaning of acceptably? Acceptably. 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 The word acceptably means in a way that is good enough or satisfactory. It can be used to describe a performance, a product, or even a person's behavior. For example, you might say that a student performed acceptably on a test, or that a product meets acceptably high standards. The word acceptably can also be used to describe a situation that is not ideal, but is still tolerable. For example, you might say that the noise level in a room is acceptably low, or that the weather is acceptably warm. In general, the word acceptably is used to express a level of satisfaction that is not perfect, but is still good enough.